Happy Black Friday, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving weekend. You are seeing this a few hours before our Black Friday sale actually starts. So in case you hadn't heard, our Black Friday sale starts like at 9 a.m. Arizona time today. So I have a big group of sign carvers of the day. And we wanted to just let everybody know also about the Black Friday sale, half off of lots of different stuff. You can go to the website and see everything that's half off. A lot of stencils and sets and templates and letters and numbers and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, if you have questions, let us know. The sale will go through the end of Monday 9 p.m. Arizona time. So that is that. Let's get on to sign carvers of the day. So first we have Sean Simpson, and these are super cool welcome signs, or you might call them porch signs. They're carved vertically, and he's got 4 different versions here. I think these are really cool, and they're very, very popular these days. So that's a great niche especially for a stock sign. Great job, Sean. Next we have, you know what? I forgot to say, this is September 30 through October 17th. We'll put that in the title as well. Next, we have Fabrice Best from France. Did a great Top Gun, the new Top Gun movie, and it's got a great logo there, blue and red. Looks like it's carved in pine, but I can't say for sure. Almost, it might be maple. It is very good looking. Great job, Fabrice. Next, we have James Dombrowski. And this is a really cool changeable birthday sign. So that black ribbon that you see there is actually metal that's inserted in the sign. And so that means you can use magnets, or you can actually write it in chalk paint, the changeable birthdays. So that is really a neat idea. I love it. And I think that is, and for being only the second sign ever that James, that you have made, terrific. And these are laminated cedar pickets, or they're edge glued cedar pickets. And I just think it looks terrific. Great job, James. Next, we have David Schultz, and this is 2 foot by 4 foot, and this is his business sign. And he used the critter gun and put 3 coats of spar urethane on it. It's so unique. I love the shape and the design on there. Great job, David. Love it. Next, we have Aaron Lewis. Absolutely beautiful Marine Corps sign. And looks like it's got, I can't tell for sure, but it looks like it's got epoxy on it as well. Beautiful job. Absolutely love it. Great job, Aaron. Next, we have a piece of poplar, and this is from Jeremy Hawthorne. And this is 24 by 36, and it looks great, Jeremy. Great job. Looks like it might be edge glued together. Can't tell for sure, but well, I'm actually, the fact that it's 24 inches wide and 36 inches tall, it has to be edge glued together. Great job, Jeremy. Next, we have Wiley Thomas, and the customer asked Wiley for a fingerprint labyrinth. So he did some research, and this is what he came up with, and did this on a pine slab or cookie, with the bark still on there. Terrific job. These things, I went and did some research on these, and they are kind of popular. So anyway, great job, Wiley. Next, we have Stephen Lewis. This one is really cool, made for a customer. Stephen, I'd be shocked if this didn't bring you more business. Really cool logo sign. Nice 56 Corvette on there, or 55 maybe. I'm not sure. Anyway, beautiful job. I'm sure they absolutely love it. That will definitely bring you more work. Next, we have Alan Lynch, made for his 16-year-old grandson. And Ryan said he recognized this logo as being from a band. I didn't recognize that, but really cool. And I love the wood. I don't know what kind of wood that is, but it looks really, really cool. Great job, Alan. And next we have Elling Home. And this is one of Elling's first signs. This is for his business. So terrific job. And that's a great looking round. I'm not sure what material that is. It almost looks like poplar. But great job for your first sign. Terrific job. Good luck, Elling. Keep up the great work. Next, we have Tim Hernandez. And this one's got an interesting story. Tim Hernandez, back in the 80s or early 90s, Tim actually came to our shop in Manteca and had a great conversation with Dad. He wanted to learn how to make signs, and Tim said Dad was so nice to him, he even gave him a router bit to start. So that sounds like my dad, all right. So we had a great conversation with Tim, and Tim, thanks so much. This is Tim's 10th sign. So Tim obviously hasn't been carving a lot, but for only your 10th sign, terrific job, Tim. Glad you found us, buddy. Next, we have Joe Buck, or Joe DeAngelis. I'm not sure he goes by one or the other or both. And this is maybe one of the best versions of our Gone Fishing signs that I've seen. Terrific work. I mean, I absolutely love this thing. I love the frame around the edge, and the background just looks fantastic. Great job, Joe. Next, we have Donna and her husband. Donna and her husband started making signs. This is their first one. They actually won the September giveaway. So congratulations to Donna and her husband, and great job on your first sign. That is, looks like a piece of pine. And nice scallops around the edge. Terrific job, you guys. Next, we have Brian Burrows. So here's a really cool commercial sign. This is 1 by 12 by 28 inches long. And I just think you did a great job on this. I'm sure that this will lead to more business, especially being in a commercial atmosphere. People are going to probably want to know who did that. Great job. Love it. Here's really a cool idea from Nate Boyd. This is a board that everybody signs, so this would be kind of take place of a guest book at a wedding, and I think it just came out really, really well. And I think that this, again, is another great niche and a great way to get your work out there. Terrific job, Nate. Next, we have Gareth Jukes. And Gareth made this for John's birthday, John Davies. And John is a world champion and 9-time British motorcycle champion. So, great job, Gareth. I'm sure that brought a lot of smiles and interest when you gave that to John. Terrific work, buddy. Len Davis. This is a great group of Live to Ride signs. That bottom one is really cool. Goes really well with those other Live to Ride and are basically our biker signs. Terrific job, Len. Love it. Trent DeSaltis in Regina, Saskatchewan, Canada. And this is for Canada's Remembrance Day. And I really like the way that you have the soldiers all lined up there. That really is a neat piece of artwork there. So Remembrance Day in Canada is November 11th. Terrific job, Trent. I love it. Anwar Cure, second sign ever. This is 3 1x4s glued up and framed out, and put a torch to it, and I think it looks terrific. Great job, Anwar. I love it. For your second sign, very impressive. Great job. And last but not least, Jeff Runyon. This is a very first sign, and this is a quote I understand from
Ron Swanson.
Ron Swanson from what? Parks and Rec.
Parks and Rec.
Parks and Rec.
A true American.
Yes. A meat eater at heart. Yes. So great job, Jeff, for your very first sign. Terrific job, buddy. That's a great niche, by the way. Ron Swanson quotes would be a great niche in itself.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so there it is, you guys. Sign carvers of the day, a great group. Hope you guys enjoy these. We get a lot of feedback from you guys that you really love to see these, and they're very inspirational for you guys and also for us. So again, this is September 30 through October 17th. So if you guys sent me your picture, it should be in this group during that time frame. And we try to do these every 2 to 3 to 4 weeks, depending on all the other stuff we got going on. But again, guys, thanks so much for sending these in. Keep them coming, and we'll keep showing off your work for you. And again, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. If there's anything we can do for you, just email and let us know. Eric@makeawoodsign.com. And don't forget, in a few hours, Black Friday sale starts. So it's going to be crazy. Anyway, we love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.